good night. God bless everyone. Just want to let everyone know, I believe a flood is coming. I just woke up. What I dreamt was, if I hear that scripture who said, when you leave your house, don't go back down to get your goods. I dreamt I'll end up on top of the house. And when I end up on the top of the house, water was rising. And I saw the water. I was on top of a hill. And water from down the hill, which was the house was close to a beach, and a tsunami came, and the water just came in, and I was above the water. But when I went back down after the tsunami came to go back down, because my family was stuck in the house in my dream, I couldn't get them. But before I dreamt about that, I dreamt about homosexuality. That's what I dreamt about. Homosexuality. Two wrestlers. And they were gay. And in my dream, I'm dreaming, like literally, in my dream, when I'm sleeping, I'm sleeping, like I see myself sleeping in my dream. And it's daytime. And yeah, man, that's what I dreamt just now. A flood. And I ended up on top of the hill. Well, not on top of the hill, but above the water on a hill that was slanted. A smooth hill. When I turned back down, I saw a flood. And I tried to go see my family, but I couldn't, and I was scared, and I tried to jump in the water to get them, but I was like, oh shit, might be sharks and stuff in here. I was like, but my family. So that's what I dreamt. That's what I dreamt. God bless y'all. I believe a flood is coming. Prepare yourself before it's too late.